Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are diving into something you encounter every day but might not think about it, the pH scale. What is it? Why does it matter? And how does it affect everything from the food you eat to the water you drink? Stick around because this is going to be both fun and informative. So let's dive in. A scale used for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution is called a pH scale. The P in pH stands for Potenz in German, meaning power. On the pH scale, we can measure pH generally from 0, which is very acidic, to 14, very alkaline. Higher the hydronium ion concentration, lower is the pH value. The pH of neutral solution, which is somewhere here, is 7. The value less than 7 on the pH scale represents an acidic solution. As the pH value increases from 7 to 14, it represents an increase in OH minus ion concentration in the solution. That is, increase in the strength of alkali. This is what a pH paper looks like. It has different colors and it's a universal indicator. This is also known as a universal indicator used for measuring the pH. Let us look in this table some examples of solutions, the color, the approximate value, and the nature of the substance. Firstly, let us look at saliva. Before meals, the color of the pH paper is green. The approximate value is between 6.5 to 7.5. The nature of the substance is acidic to basic. Saliva after meals. The color of the paper is between yellow to green, and the approximate pH value is between 2.2 to 2.4. The nature of the substance is acidic. The third solution is lemon juice. The color of the pH paper is orange. The approximate pH value is 5.9 to 6.0. The nature of the substance is acidic. Colorless aerated drink. The color of the pH paper is yellow. Once again, the approximate pH value is 5.9 to 6.0 and the nature of the substance is acidic. Carrot juice. Color of the pH paper yellow to green. Approximate pH value is 6.4 to 6.6 and the nature of substance is acidic. Coffee. We all like coffee, isn't it? Color of pH paper is yellow. Approximate pH value is 4.5 to 5.5. The nature of the substance is acidic. Tomato juice. Color of pH paper yellow. Approximate pH value 4.31, which is an acidic substance. Tap water. The color of the pH paper is green and the approximate pH value is 6 to 8.5 and the nature of the substance is generally neutral. The strength of acids and bases depend on the number of H plus ions and OH minus ions produced respectively. If we take hydrochloric acid, the chemical formula is HCl, and acetic acid CH3COOH of the same concentration, say 1 molar, then these produce different amounts of hydrogen ions. Acids that give rise to more H plus ions are said to be strong acids, and acids that give less H plus ions are said to be weak acids. This is the pH of some common substances shown in this pH paper. You can have a look at it, the different pH values and the color of the substance. Let us look at pH in everyday life. Why is pH important to us? Our body works within the range of 7.0 to 7.8. Living organisms can survive only in a narrow range of pH change. When pH of rainwater is less than 5.6, it is called acidic rain. When acid rain flows into the river, it lowers the pH of rainwater, and the survival of the aquatic life is harmed and becomes difficult. Did you know that the atmosphere of Venus is made of thick white and yellowish clouds of sulfuric acid? You need to remember this, that which acid is present in Venus and what is the atmosphere of Venus made of? Sulfuric acid. Secondly, what is the pH of the soil in your backyard garden? Plants require a specific pH range for their healthy growth. To find out the pH required for a healthy growth of a plant, you can collect soil from various places and check the pH. pH in our digestive system. Our stomach produces hydrochloric acid, which is also known as HCl. This helps in the digestion of food without harming the stomach. During indigestion, the stomach produces too much acid and this causes pain and irritation. To get rid of this pain, we use a base, and this base is known as an antacid. Some of the antacids are magnesium hydroxide, which is milk of magnesia. It's a very mild base. This is used to neutralize the excess acid. pH change as the cause of tooth decay. We always wonder what's the cause of tooth decay. So let's understand. Tooth decay starts when the pH of the mouth is lower than 5.5. The tooth enamel is made up of calcium hydroxyapatite, a crystalline form of calcium phosphate. This is the hardest substance in the body. It does not dissolve in water but is corroded when the pH of the mouth is below 5.5. The bacteria present in the mouth produce acids, and by degrading of sugar and food particles remaining in the mouth after eating. To prevent this, we usually clean our mouth after eating food using toothpaste, which are generally basic. This neutralizes the excess acids and prevent tooth decay. That's why we always suggested whenever we eat our meals, we need to brush our teeth immediately to avoid tooth decay. Self defense by animals and plants through chemical warfare. Bees sting leaves an acid which causes pain and irritation. We use a mild base like baking soda on the stung area, which gives us a relief. The second example is stinging hair of nettle leaves. They inject methanoic acid, which cause burning pain. Did you know that nature provides neutralization options? Nettle, which is a herbaceous plant, it grows in the wild, and the leaves have stinging hair, which cause painful stings when touched accidentally. This is due to methanoic acid secreted by them, and a traditional remedy is rubbing the area with the leaf of the dock plant, which often grows besides the nettle in the wild. These are some of the naturally occurring acids. You'll have the natural source and the acid, which is listed in this table. Vinegar, which is acetic acid. Orange, which has the presence of citric acid. Tamarind, tartaric acid. Tomato, oxalic acid. Sour milk, which is also known as curd, it has lactic acid, lemon, which has citric acid, and sting, which has methanoic acid, nettle sting, which has methanoic acid. This table is very important from your exam point of view and can be asked in your exams. So please study this well. So that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more science packed content. Let me know in the comments what's the most surprising thing you learned about pH today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.